I don't know, I say that.
You got her. You got her. Go get her. Go. Go.
Punky, whisper.
Oh my God.
Dude, he's like breakdancing around.
Carmela would chew on Punky's ears. You know how like her, she's got that long.
Oh my
delicate
God, he
hair?
sits and chews on my ears.
Oh, it was so funny.
Yeah.
She had these little knots in her hair from him like chewing on her ears.
Get him, Punky. Get him, Punk. Get him.
I don't know. She's softened.
Get him, Punky. Get him.
Ta-da. Go down. Go down.
Punky.
You just strangled her.
Randy, don't let him do it. Don't encourage it.
I'm not.
Please.
He's gonna do what he's gonna do.
No, not, don't let him.